I now pronounce you as husband and wife. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no man separate. You may now kiss the bride. Alright. I have one question to all of you. Sa lahat ko ng atin sa kasalan ko. Do you need one more kiss?
Yes!
I think parang ayaw niya eh. Do you need one more kiss?
Yes!
Okay. They need one more kiss. So walang magagawa si Alvin at si Shara kundi magkikiss pa sila. So magkakaroon po tayo ng 10-second kiss. So Alvin, on three, halikan mo ang asawang si Maria Shara. So bibilang po tayo ng mga tatid. Gusto ko pala sisigaw ng magkakaroon. On three. 1, 2, 3, kiss the bride. 1, 2, another. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now for the presentation of the duet, ladies and gentlemen, it is much pleasure that I now introduce to you, Mr. and Mrs. Ruba, our new. Let's give them a big round of applause. And then we're going to talk mabuhay ang bagong kasal. One more, okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Congratulations and best wishes to all of you.